This lift was a package of glass where you couldn't see the center of gravity. Was it on a rack? Was it packaged up in wood? Either way, it wasn't crane rated, right? The method of lifting everything on slings is flawed. Let me show you why. They had a spreader bar above so they could pull straight down with the slings and back up to the spreader bar, effectively creating a saddle for it. They spread out the slings so they're about a third from the center on both sides. It looks like a good lift if the center of gravity is within those slings. If they're not, it's not going to go well. If that center of gravity gets outside of that rectangle, that thing's going to roll out just like we saw. If you put something like this into a structural lifter, you raise the attachment points and the center of gravity has a much harder time of getting outside of the triangle or rectangle, and it will not roll out. It would be impossible. We build these in single and double pallet sizes. They have ramps, they have gates. We're rated up to 6,600 pounds at the moment. If we needed to go larger for glass, we can certainly do that. For the last couple of years, I've been making this argument over structural lifters, and not everybody agrees with me, but this is my argument right here.